on, just baby.
The way she walked, at first I thought she was injured, but I think she was walking like that because she was so scared.
What's the matter?
When I kneeled down, she cried.
I'm here to help you, come on.
And she didn't know if I was there to help her or hurt her.
It's okay.
She put her head on my shoulder. Even when we're driving away, she does look back like she's saying, I'm so glad I'm leaving this horrible place. I drive to Echo Lake every day to look for dogs that have possibly been abandoned.
Hey, baby. You okay? Come on. Good boy.
And that's going back 10 years.
Hi, baby. Come on.
I've been going out there every day.
I'm not leaving you. Get in.
It's something I'll continue until I know I don't have to go. When people ask me, well, why do you go out there at 4 o'clock in the morning? Because that's when it happens. So I think to myself, if I'm not right there that moment when it happens, then they're going to go into the woods and then they're going to get scared.
Come here, precious. Looks like they left the crate. If I would have just been here seconds earlier, I would have caught him. Let me try and catch this dog.
I put them in things to where sometimes you can't find them.
All right. Hello, Mama. Hey, Mama.
Just like Gila in the little house.
Oh, gracious.
Who would have thought to look inside that little house?
It's okay. Come on.
The trash people were coming. They were just going to pick it up and throw it in the back of the truck.
Oh, you're so tiny. You're so tiny. Come on. We're leaving. You're safe now, baby. She doesn't even know. And this is the reason why I love them so much.
So when I rescue them, I don't just drive straight to my house. I pull in somewhere and relax with them.
Hey, mamas.
I'll get in the back seat and I'll start talking to them and kind of help them get comfortable with me. I just want to say, oh my God, you're safe. You know, I'm so glad I got to you today. I want them to know that they have somebody now. Anyway, I suck.
It's gonna be okay, papas.
The moment that I'm able to drive away out of that area, I already know their life is going to be great from that point on.
No, buddy. Promise we'll find you a home, okay?
That's what makes me happy, is that we make them happy. And that's enough for me.
So have you